Hello everyone. In this training we are going to show you how to create custom activity bars in Primavera P6. Activities are represented as bars along a time scale in Gantt charts. Most of the project scheduling softwares use a Gantt View to demonstrate activities and their dependencies in a work schedule. Primavera P6 allows to customize activity bars by changing default colors, patterns and type to support the graphical presentation of the schedule. In this video we will review the Primavera P6 custom activity bars feature by modifying the bar colors based on the activity codes. In Primavera P6, activities are represented as bars in the Gantt view. In order to open the Gantt view, select View Show on top Gantt chart from the main drop-down menu at the top of the screen. In Primavera P6, Bars window is used to customize the appearance of the activities. Select View Bars from the main drop-down menu. The Bars window is very useful to modify the appearance of the bars that represent the activities. It is possible to customize name, display, timescale, filter and preview features of each bar by the help of Bars window. Bar Styles tab is used to customize the appearance of the bars. Cap styles at each end of the bar can be changed. Bar shape can be thicken or thin. Color and pattern can be modified. You can select various colors and shapes from the Bar Style tab. The display column is used to show or hide an activity bar type. Visibility of an activity type can be changed by clicking the checkbox. Let's hide the critical activities. When we unmark the display checkbox, critical activities are disappeared. In the Bars window, the filter column is related with the Primavera P6 filter by feature. Open the Filters window by double-clicking on the filter column of the remaining level of effort bar. Default, global and user-defined filters can be seen in the Filters window. As shown in the Bars window, all the bars have a custom filter. Filter of the selected bar is set to remaining level of effort default filter. Remaining level of effort is under the default filters. It is possible to add a new bar type and customize it by using the Primavera P6 Custom Activity Bars feature. In this example, we will create a custom bar for a specific activity code. Assume that you are a planning engineer and your project manager asked you to change the color of the activities under Mechanical Works activity code. In the Bars window, click Add button on the right hand and type the name of the new bar type as Mechanical Works. Set the timescale as Remain bar. And select purple color from the Bar Style tab. You can select various colors and shapes to modify the bars. Now we will define the filter. Open the Filters window by double-clicking on the Filter column of the newly created Mechanical Works bar, then click New button to define the parameters. Type the filter name as Mechanical Works. Select formerly created responsibility code for the parameter, and select Mechanical Works activity code value for the value column. Click OK and turn back to the bars window. Click on the Apply button and see that all the Mechanical Work activity bars are purple. Primavera P6 custom activity bars feature enables to create and modify bars for various activity types and classifications. Customizing activity bars provides a better graphical presentation of the schedule, especially in large and complex projects. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.